Updating your legal name with Lincoln Financial is an important step to ensure your records are accurate. Follow these steps to complete the process efficiently. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents that support your name change, such as a marriage certificate, divorce decree, or court order. Ensure these documents are official and clearly show your new name. Step 2. Access your Lincoln Financial account. Log into your Lincoln Financial online account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, you may need to create one or contact customer service for assistance. Step 3. Navigate to the name change section. Once logged in, locate the section for personal information or account settings. Look for an option specifically related to updating your name or personal details. Step 4. Submit your name change requests. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm the update. After submitting your request, check for a confirmation email or notification from Lincoln Financial. If you do not receive confirmation within a few days, contact customer service to verify that your name change is being processed. By following these steps, you can efficiently update your legal name with Lincoln Financial. Make sure to keep copies of all documents submitted for your records.